Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites, except for the fact that we both hate that we love ice cream.
I had a bowl of ice cream today. But we love the Eyescream Beauty.
But we're mad at you every single month. We love you, but we're mad.
February. This is January's. It just got here 4 days ago, like the 31st of January. And the spoilers on the website are still from December. Like, I know they've been going through some things at Eyescream, but you take my money at the first of the month and you send me a package at the end and then charge me again.
Without a drink or dinner.
No lubrications, nothing.
Nothing. A running start.
Ooh. So this is the duochrome subscription. It's an extra $7 a month.
I know exactly where you're going first.
I don't know that you do, because this one's probably going home with you.
Oh, it's baby pink. Oh.
It's not fully baby pink. It is.
It's very nudie
With gold.
It's like a nudie purple pink moment.
With a gold shift.
Ooh. I think it's beautiful.
I think it's right up your alleys.
I do too.
And then this one. This is beautiful.
That looks like fire. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that didn't do what I thought it would do. Well, okay, so
On camera, it looks very
gold.
On my finger,
It's
looks
red
and
reddish orange.
the glitter party's happening.
Yes. Oh, that's pretty.
These are just so pretty.
They're beautiful.
So I actually have canceled these.
Did you?
Yeah, because I just don't use them that much, and I can't see continuing to spend the money on something that sits on the shelf. And they're so beautiful, and I hate to not use them, but
You're excited.
I am very excited. This might have to be used on Sunday for the Super Bowl. Well, look how purple it is on camera.
It looks blue in here.
It's blue in the tub, though.
So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that one came to play.
Yes.
Wow.
These are so fun, and they're doing a beautiful job with creating them.
Yes. They always do.
Yeah, every one of them has been beautiful. There's not been one that we've opened and swatched and said,
They're so exciting.
and now they're in the air.
Whee!
Okay. So here's the card for this month.
Okay.
You're going to try to read it.
January Throwback Glow Up 2026 is
Now 2016. Is the new 2016.
Oh.
Ooh.
So we're going to go backwards a little bit.
We're going back in time.
I like that. I like that.
This is from ZC. We've seen them a bit. Soft focus, long-lasting makeup powder. Transparent. So this is a setting powder from ZC. This retails for $29.
Oh, I didn't see that. Yes. $29.
The
The packaging is always really beautiful.
yes.
But for
We're
some
not
reason,
swatching a transparent powder, but I want to see what the inside of it is.
for some reason, it's not always very practical makeup, though.
Well, this is a transparent powder.
Yeah.
It doesn't say if it's loose or if it's
Pressed.
Pressed.
Ooh, it looks pretty already.
It does. It's loose for sure.
Oh, okay. So that, I mean, it's beautiful. Love the font. Very white.
It's just it's a very white powder. Not gonna open her. No sense in opening
Another one.
a loose setting powder.
Yeah.
And I have probably 5 open. This is Charmacy. I can tell by looking at it.
$24?
Charmacy Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeshadow.
Yes.
Okay.
$24.
On Milano? No, that's their brand. OVIP 09. Is this the same one we got before?
No, but it's the same thing, just a different color.
I'm not sure I'm going to use this. We're not going to open it and swatch it. It's kind of white there with some duochromes in it, which Charmacy does. Charmacy does a nice job with the duochrome.
They do. And and their prices are pretty fair as well.
How much does this retail for?
$24.
I just don't use this kind of eye color a lot, so I don't see, I'm not sure. Trapped. Well, we've gotten stuff from this line before.
What is it? Oh.
Snap Trap.
Okay, that's Gourmand Girl Lip Gloss.
Maybe.
$18. Yes, it is. I remember that last month.
Ooh, this is really pretty.
That's very pretty.
We're gonna open this.
Ooh.
Kind of vanilla-y.
Ooh, vanilla cake.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's a lot more pigment there than I anticipated too.
That's beautiful. Oh, you're gonna like that
kind of
a
lot. Purple shift in it.
Yes. Purple blues. Oh, that's very pretty.
Very pretty.
Love that. $18. I like that.
Yeah, that's fair. Divine Glide Gel Pencil Liner. Smudge proof, highly nude in the color nude.
$5
from B Bella. It looks like a $5 eyeliner. Very much
Wet n Wild,
hard candy.
Elf. Yes.
I'm not gonna wear a nude eyeliner.
I know.
I wish it were a different color.
I know.
And the Big Daddy.
Big Daddy is $49.
This looks right up my alley already.
It's called Grunge Resolution.
From Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty.
Show that packaging. That looks so much like, I feel like you're going to eat this up. This is dinner.
It's a little brighter than I anticipate. Oh, wait, hold on. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay.
That's better.
Some of it's a little bit brighter than I would like to be calling it a grunge resolution.
But I see the vision. I see what we're supposed to be doing with it.
Let's swatcher, because you know this is getting used.
Wow. Hello, pigment.
We'll see.
Ooh.
Okay.
That's really pretty.
I definitely can get some grungy looks out of this.
Oh, for sure. I mean, you can go hardcore grunge. You can go soft grunge.
I don't love the way that dark blue is swatched.
You don't?
No, we're going to go back in.
Oh, a little patchy, isn't it?
Okay, she'll be fine. And we're gonna swatch the last two.
The last one is so pretty. I can't wait to see what that looks like.
Oh, look at that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
So I thought that might go a little bit patchy too, but I don't think it's bad. It's not some of the things we've seen swatched. Look at that shift in that.
That is beautiful. This has like a gold, purple, blue, green shift. This is the most beautiful thing.
This one too. I'm gonna re-swatch that because it's so.
Wow.
It's like a sea glass almost. I want to call it
like a baby green, baby blue, silver, gold moment. So beautiful.
I'm gonna have fun with this palette.
Are you?
Yes.
And it just so happens that this month is
It's Aquarius
season.
So.
Pisces, Aquarius.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just saying.
Okay. So this box is $30. How much did this retail for?
That was $49.
Okay, so this more than paid for the box. I'm probably not using these. Loose powder's fine. The lip gloss is really pretty.
The lip gloss is beautiful.
So I've got probably 2 items that I'm using. But the palette is $50. So $50 palette, what is it? $18 lip gloss for $30.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then these will go into the pile of things to be decluttered for people that will use them.
Yeah.
And I might hang on to the powder just because I might need one next week. You never know.
Maybe.
So what do you think of this box?
Okay. If it wasn't for the fact that it's such a good box every month, I would want you to cancel. Only because I think they're so, like, the shipping is incredibly unreliable. We never know when it's coming. You're getting billed consistently, but the shipping is inconsistent.
Very inconsistent.
I don't think that's cool.
I don't like that we're not getting the spoilers that we were getting. Which, I mean, to not get spoilers is not a big deal, but don't have the spoiler option on the page and not update it.
Yeah.
Because I know you've had these things, because you probably got these the same time as when we got the last one.
Yep.
Same with this.
Yeah.
And honestly, these are a little disappointing to me.
Okay. The lip glosses?
Because we got it last month. We just got another one last month.
Yeah.
The point of doing these boxes is to try the new things, and to keep getting the same products, even in different colors. It's a little bit disappointing.
A little redundant.
Not so disappointing that I want to cancel, but it's just like, it could have been better.
Yeah. Even when it's not that great, it's still really good, though.
It's still really good. I mean, it's still definitely worth the money.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I wasted my money. It could have been better.
Yes, absolutely.
I don't think this was a good way to start the year.
Yeah.
But that's what seems to be the trend, because Ipsy wasn't great for
January
either.
Yeah.
So. What do you think? Does your Eyescream Beauty come on time every month, or it just shows up maybe next month? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
I'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.